Are you ready, Bella? You need to introduce yourself. Hello, everyone. I'm Betty.
I'm Linus.
So we are going to make rhubarb pie today.
Bye.
So the first step, I need to cut very small pieces.
Yes, like that. Not too small.
Not too small.
Not too big. Perfect size every time.
And then we melted those butter.
Yes.
Waiting for it to totally melt it. Alright?
Put it into the premix.
So there have some flours and the oats and the sugar.
Yes.
And then I put the butter in it. Smells good. I can't smell anything. So.
What?
And then mix it together.
Now, secret. Don't tell anyone.
The secret is put the honey in
Yes.
it.
Should be syrup, but we don't have any syrup.
What's that?
Brown sugar.
Okay.
Raw sugar, maybe?
Brown sugar.
We'll put some on here.
Okay, put the cream inside. Everything.
Comes from a double. Yes, I will. Yeah, why not? Yeah, okay, it's good. Okay, now we put on the rest of this.
I like sugar. It should be sweet. Not too sour.
That's true.
Here.
I think that's good. Okay, put on the rest. Spread it nice.
What's the temperature?
150.
Okay. How long will you need to wait? You're not a professional.
Oh. Jag var också inne på Ica.
Ja,
kolla. Och det bara
Tog du min
olja,
app, eller?
olja och pepp i min paj. Va?
Vad fan?
Det stod ju inte för.
Start to panic.
You took to shake the wrong version. 40 to 50 minutes!
Va?
What?
What?
Last so long?
Det står det.
You need to explain what are you doing now.
I'm whipping the non-whipped cream.
Not enough cream.
It's, or don't need to whip, but it looks nice when you whip it. Create a nice pattern. Make it more fluffy.
So we use this sauce and the Your sauce so ugly then.
Ugly sauce?
You're like a bird. Chicken or something. So it's testing time.
Taste time. Yes. Have the crackiness of the...
From the sweet combination.
Yes, and the crackiness of this is hard. And that's important.
喜欢我的影片的话，记得点赞跟订阅哦。我们下次见，拜拜。